Hey guys, it's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces. We have the brand new Green Mountain Grill Daniel Boone Wi-Fi Prime unit. This is the one that has the windows, a bunch of new upgrades on it. We're gonna take it apart, take it out of the box, open it up, and check out the new features. See what's brand new for 2019. So let's get this open and see what this grill's all about. Okay, so we got this one unboxed. Took about 10-15 minutes to put it together. I went ahead and brought over the older model. This is the bigger Jim Bowie, but just to show you a comparison between some of the features of the new one. We'll go over some of these upgrades that the new Prime Grill comes with. You can decide at home if that's something you like or not. We'll start with just some little things. You are gonna get a bottle opener on the front and a little latch here which keeps your hopper lid closed. I don't really see a huge benefit to that other than the wind maybe catching it and it staying shut. You do get a new front shelf. I do like having a front shelf standard. That's definitely a good value. What I'm not crazy about though is it's not retractable. So it's kind of annoying. It's pretty fixed. So, you know, you gotta kind of stand away from your grill a little bit, which may not be a big deal because it's not like you're going right up next to it, but I wish that was retractable. You get a chrome handle on your side shelf with some hooks for some accessories. Then we can go down below here. You can see a pretty big leg difference between the two, a little more beefy, a little more robust. Same with our casters and wheels. We're getting upgraded casters and wheels, a little bit nicer. And then a bottom storage shelf is standard too. So those are just a few of the small things. You know, you get quite a bit of value. So they are adding a lot to this grill, which was already priced well. The other thing was they put a window on your pellets and then a window on your hood as well. I don't see a huge benefit to the window on the hood because it doesn't have interior light. So even when you look in there, it's pretty dark. So I wouldn't, even though that's a nice feature, I wouldn't see using that a whole lot. The window on the hopper though is pretty cool. That you can always gauge how low and high your pellets is. That's a pretty practical feature. There's two features that I'm really excited about on this grill that I think are pretty cool and definitely worthwhile. If you're mobile, if you go camping a lot, and you can throw this in the back of a pickup, all their smokers are on 12 volt now. So there is a hookup, comes standard with, you can plug it right into 12 volt to your car, and this puppy will run right on your car. So that seems like a very practical feature. The feature I'm most excited about, however, and this will really, we're gonna do a test to really see how exciting this is gonna be. But over here, I'll show you a close-up, but we essentially have a shop vac clean out right here. So what you do is you stick your shock vac up right up to here, and it's going to clean out your burn pot. With smokers, when those burn pots get full of ash and pellets, and they can't get good combustion air, it is such a pain in the neck to try to clean that, especially if it's hot. You gotta take the grease tray out, you gotta take your cooking grids out, and you just make a mess. So let's test it. If this test works out and it really cleans out that burn pot really well, I definitely think it's worth the upgrade because that's a huge performance upgrade in the grill. So let's fill up the burn pot with some pellets and see if we can suck them out of there with this clean out and see how well it works. Okay, so what I did is I just cut 3 pieces of little paper and set them down here where the filter sort of goes down where your ash would go, which is going to keep it nice and clean for your airflow. So let's turn it on and see how it does. So let's turn the shop vac on. Okay, so you just saw my super scientific test where we cut up little slits of paper, put it in there, and the ash vacuum feature seems to work pretty good. So I'm excited about that because those were the two coolest features I thought this grill had, was the ability to plug it into your car and use this grill on the go, and the shop vac feature, which is super convenient. In conclusion though, all that being said, I don't see an upgrade here if you already have a Green Mountain Grill Wi-Fi product. I don't know if I would justify buying a brand new grill for that. If you have a non-Wi-Fi grill or you don't have one at all, the Prime would definitely be the one I would go with. But to spring for the new one, if you already have the existing one, I'm on the fence. If you hate cleaning out your burn pot and you use it on the go a lot, then I would. But if it's always sitting on your patio and you don't have a problem or digging in there and using your burn pot, I don't know if it's worth the upgrade. So that's really up to you. Those were the two coolest features I thought there were. Love to hear what you guys think the coolest features are in this grill. Put a comment on this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you're in the Denver metro area, come down to our showroom, check these products out. They're here in our showroom in Westminster, Colorado. You can call or text our staff anytime at 303-800-5659. Or you can check these products out on our website also at www.embersliving.com. Thanks a lot for checking out this video.